Hey there, are you still struggling with installing FitGirl Repack? If you're still having problems, let me help you. First, you need to make sure that there's no missing file on it. Second, go to the Search tab and search System Configuration. Third, navigate to the Boot section, select Safe Boot, apply the changes, click OK, and then restart your PC. After you restart your PC, go to the downloaded file and start installing it, but remember to set a RAM limit. Next, you'll reach the part where you'll need to patiently wait for the installation to complete. But, as Aristotle once said, patience is bitter, but its fruit is sweet. After completing the installation, simply search for System Configuration again, uncheck Safe Boot, apply the changes, click OK, and restart your PC once more. And there you have it. You're all set to play and enjoy the game.